birthday of Father of the Nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Majibur Rahman, and Children's Day. Respected Principal and Vice Principal, dear colleagues and students, Assalamu alaikum. As it is the birthday of our national father, I cannot but tell some about his birth and his family. Bangabandhu Sheikh Majibur Rahman was born on this day in the year 1920. He was born to Sheikh Rahman and Saikh. He was born into a Muslim native Bengali family as the third child in a family of 4 daughters and 2 sons. Today I am not going to round over his whole life. Rather, I would like to tell you a minor story of his childhood. Unlike you, Bangabandhu Sheikh Majibur Rahman had a home tutor whose name was Qazi Abdul Hamid, MSc Master. He had a great love for people. As a symbol of love, he organized an organization named Muslim Seva Shamit. Bangabandhu was much influenced by him. As a result, Bangabandhu took the responsibility of that very organization after the death of his teacher Qazi Abdul Hamid. There is no doubt that our father of the nation had a great talent that was gifted by Almighty Allah. But to bring out this talent, his teacher Qazi Abdul Hamid had played a vital role. From that story, we come to know that each and every child has a hidden talent, and a teacher can unveil this talent. But it is very unfortunate that for some extent, nowadays, the students are not doing so. It is not only the duty of teachers and students, but also the parents can also play the vital role or a role of a protagonist. So on this very day, I will request all of you to take a lesson from the childhood memories of Bangabandhu Sheikh Majibur Rahman. At the end of my speech, I would like to pray for his departed soul and thank you all to keep your passions and listen to me. Thank you very much.